Hello, today we are going to make a herbal drink. Let's get right to it. You can drink this drink any time of the year. We start with our pineapple skins. Customize this drink to suit your taste. Then our aidan fruit. This is a popular drink in West Africa, Ghana, and Nigeria. Some bay leaves, some star anise, some wintia or grains of selim, a little bit of cloves, not too much cloves, but a little bit goes a long way. Some fennel, oh, I love fennel. Some wild turmeric. Wild turmeric is potent, so don't use too much. And some grated ginger root. Ginger is so good. Great with the skin on. The skin has so many benefits. Add in an orange or two. This drink does not have sugar, so that's your sweetener. And some dried hibiscus flowers. The drink as it is now is still very beneficial, but adding in the hibiscus flowers gives it a punch because the hibiscus flowers are lemony, so you have that citrus combination with the herbal combination going on. Makes it a very flavorful drink. Use what you have in your kitchen. You can add other things like yellow dark root, burdock root, just whatever you have that's available in the kitchen. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. Take it off the heat and let it simmer, and you have a delicious drink. You can have it any time of the year, hot or cold. Hope you try this drink. Until next time. Bon appetit!